Okay, hello, this is me making Kirby. We are going to start with this little piece of pink dough. I don't have polymer clay, but if you do, it's best to use that type of clay because it can be baked in your own oven if you want it to be permanent. If not, you can just remold it into something else. And for the color, you're going to have to kind of use like a little blue instead of just red and white, because if it's red and white, it doesn't look exactly Kirby. So, yeah, first you make it very spherical, okay? Try to not have too much of the creases. You can see there's a few creases there. And just keep rolling and rolling and rolling until you got it. Okay, so here is the ball. And after the ball, we are going to make the arms, which is actually the same color. Split this tiny piece in half. You can see the color contrast. I mean, not the color contrast, the size contrast there. Split the little piece in half and kind of just make two little kitty ears. Round the edges, and then you can put it in a place where you think it will be best. It might squish your Kirby off shape a little, but you can just squish that back. The best way to do is put it on your finger and then make a pyramid. And then you can round the edges and put it out of shape. So those are the arms. Now that is the same for the legs, except that the legs are going to be a little bigger than the arms. Drop the wheel. Take that up. Same here. So for my Kirby, I'm going to make her into a running position. A very happy running position. And we are going to get on the eyes now. So for the eyes, you will need tiny little pieces of clay. You can see how little it is. I'm not actually using clay, I'm actually using Play-Doh because I currently do not have clay. But just so you know, here, you do it like that. You press it here, and then you get this light little piece and kind of just press it on like that. It's going to be at the bottom, a little more at the bottom instead of the top. So this is the bottom part of the eye. And then we are going to add the top part of the eye, which is this little white piece, also pressed flat on here. And then you're going to add it on the Kirby. You do that repetitively. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so here it is with both the eyes. You can see that it is here slightly on top, leaving space for the mouth right here. And usually Kirby faces have a very high face so that you can obviously tell there is at least a little body here. And then the mouth will be very close to the eyes, like right over here where my finger was. Okay? So we are going to make the mouth. The mouth is like this currently because it is going to be a smile. Her mouth is not going to be open. Yes, you can call it a he. And kind of just press it on there. So this is the finishing Kirby. I am not going to pester you to like, and I am not going to pester you to subscribe. One, because I know you hate all those words, and two, this is a video, not a channel.